Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block all websites except one in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To block all websites except one in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. In search, type Control Panel. Now click on Control Panel. View by category is selected by default. Just click on the drop down here and select large icons. Now you will find an option, Internet Options. Click on Internet Options. In Internet Options, you will find a tab, Connections. Click on Connections tab, and below you will find Local Area Network Settings. Click on LAN Settings button here, and here you will find Proxy Server. Just select the Proxy Server, and in address field type the loopback address 127.0.0.1, and in port type the port 80 for any website. Now click on Advanced button here. Here 127.0.0.1 and port 80 means all HTTP websites will be blocked. If you want to set any exception, just type here. I'm going to select YouTube for exception, as because I want to access YouTube only. Type youtube.com, and if you want to add multiple websites, then you have to use semicolon and then space, again type www.youtube.com, again semicolon. I'm going to add another website which I want to access, google.com, and also www.google.com. Now click on OK. OK again. Now I'm going to test. Just open the browser. In address bar, I'm typing google.com. Look, I can easily access to the google.com. Now I'm going to type youtube.com. Look, I can also access to the youtube.com also. I'm going to open another tab, typing facebook.com. Look, I cannot access to Facebook. You are not connected here. Again, I am going to try to access twitter.com. Look, I cannot access to twitter.com also. This is the easiest way to block any website except one. in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.